Hey guys, welcome to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make these wonderful French onion stuffed onions. Yes, these are French onion stuffed onions filled with flavor, and I'm sure you're definitely going to enjoy these. Merry Cookmas Day 17. Thank you guys for hanging out with me for another day of Cookmas. These are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make these French onion stuffed onions. All the flavors are going to pair together well to make what somewhat tastes like French onion soup in an onion. So if you guys are ready for today's recipe, if so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Very Merry Christmas, a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry. Alright, so here we have the French onion stuffed onions. Again, simple, easy, tasty. These little bites would make perfect appetizers for any occasion. They pretty much are just pop and go, or you can eat them delicately with a knife and a fork as well. Still gonna be just as tasty. The flavors of onion and onion soup are throughout. We've got that toasted bread, the cheese, and then that vegetable broth that brought everything together with the onions. Definitely give this one a try, especially if you do love onions. Hopefully you did enjoy today's Cookmas recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you do love French onion anything. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during this Cookmas season. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.